Outside on Juneteenth, y'all. Outside Baltimore City. Riding back home. Oh shit. Pedal to the metal, show them how to drive. Yeah, traffic not that bad. Normally it'd be crazy. Yeah, outside. Made the spaghetti, y'all. The spaghetti was busting. Yeah, I had to do it a little different. I had to make it al dente. Add a little more spices to it. This thing was hitting. I think what did it was I didn't have no Italian seasoning, but I had some rosemary, some basil, onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, cayenne pepper. I think it was something else. But anyway, yeah, it was right. I didn't use no spaghetti sauce. I used tomato sauce. 2 cans of tomato sauce. Traffic is pretty good out here too. It's 5:55. But yeah, the channel will be up and running. It's been a good while since we uploaded, so I just uploaded the spaghetti joint. I didn't know if I was gonna narrate over it, because I do like when videos be narrate, when you narrate over the video. But I just wanted to put something up. I got 2 other channels, but that's neither here nor there. But that McCoy channel, yeah, I just wanna just show some things I be doing. You know? So when I'm not here, maybe my grandkids, great grandkids, and look back and be like, is that Pop acting crazy? Yeah, that was your Pop acting crazy. But yeah, it is what it is, y'all. I'm also a stroke survivor. Boy, oh boy. I was healthy until I had that stroke. So I'm still under a year, so I'm still trying to get myself together. And we gonna do it. We gonna do it together. I ain't got no rehab, so the rehab, I'm home doing rehab, so I'll be on YouTube looking at different things. Yeah, we trying to get back to, I don't know if I'll be back to my old self, because I really don't feel the same. I feel like a little different. We gonna get it. Anyway, I'll at y'all later.